Meaning of essentially.
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 Essentially. Essentially is an adverb that means in essence or fundamentally. It is used to indicate that something is at its core or in its most basic form. When we say something is essentially true, we mean that it is true at its very core. Similarly, when we say that someone is essentially a kind person, we mean that kindness defines their core character. Essentially can be used to summarize the central idea or meaning of something, and is often used to distinguish what is essential from what is secondary or extraneous.